Hi, good morning to everybody. My name is Noel Velasquez. I'm the chairman and founder of Planet Beast International Incorporated. Ang gagawin ko ngayon is I'm going to share to you this wonderful opportunity of a lifetime na nakita ko po. But before I'm going to start, let me introduce myself first. Again, I'm Noel Velasquez. I'm a registered nurse by profession. Nag-aral po ako ng nursing. Nakatapos po ako ng nursing or Bachelor of Science in Nursing sa Metro Manila. Then after that, sa 4 na taon pag-aaral, nag-take po ako ng board exam at nakapasa na po ako at naging registered nurse po ako, kaya BSN RN. Pagkatapos nun, nakatake ako ng board exam o nakapasa na po ako, I decided to work in the hospital. Okay? Usually, pag kami mga lalaki, pag sa hospital kami, nagtatrabaho, usually na-assign kami dun sa mga mabibigat na mga lugar. Katulad ng mga area, like for example, ICU or intensive care unit, or operating room, or emergency room. So in other words, for the past 2 years, working in the hospital, I have experience working in the hospital here in the Philippines for the past 2 years. And another 2 years abroad naman. Then after that, pagkatapos ko, 4 na taon na pag-aaral o pagtatrabaho sa pagiging nurse, here and abroad, I decided to shift to other career. Naging medrep din ako. Naging medrep ako that time sa isa sa mga prestigyosong pharmaceutical company sa Pilipinas. And that time, nag-enjoy din naman ako kasi maganda yung trabaho at saka related sa career ko, related sa course ko. But eventually, 19 years ago, I was invited by my friend sa tinatawag na network marketing. Una-una, I'm very hesitant pa kung sasali ako hindi kasi, I hate recruitment, I hate selling. But practically, when I start to understand what is multi-level marketing all about or simply called network marketing, nag-decide na ako na pakinggan. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko nung time na yon, pakinggan ko lang, walang mawawala sa akin. So, ang ginawa ko, pinakinggan ko na lang. So, practically, I started my career in what we called an international company that time na nagbebenta po ng mga aloe vera. I'm sure you know, alam mo na kung anong tinutukoy ko. Sino ba yung kumpanya nagbebenta ng aloe vera, di ba? Now, so, I joined that company. I stayed there for about almost 10 years. So far, so good naman, pero unfortunately, hindi ko gumanda buhay ko. But kahit gano'n nangyari, I gained a lot of knowledge from that company. And I've been doing network marketing for the past 19 years. And I got involved only with 4 companies. Take note, 4 companies for the past 19 years. I started network marketing at the age of 26. Then, my last company, yung pang-4 na company ko, doon ko na-experience kung ano yung sabi nilang success. Doon ko na-experience kung ano yung sabi nilang how to become millionaire. In other words, yung panghuli kong company, I was the age of 36 that time, I was able to earn my first million. Okay, modesty aside, and I give God glory for that. I was able to earn my first million at the age of 36. So I have to work harder and work harder along with my wife. At the age of 38, okay, I was able to earn more than 10 million of accumulated income. So by the time, between 36 to 38, nakuha ko po yung pangarap ko. Halos lahat ng pinangarap ko na hindi ko akalain na makukuha ko, nakuha ko po yun. Not just the financial aspect, but of course, I was able to buy 2 brand new cars that time. And me and my wife were able to travel from different countries all over the world. In other words, after that year, nag-decide na rin ako na instead na maging distributor ko sa isang company, why not put up my own company? But before that, I was so hesitant kung gagawin ko ba to o hindi. Because in fact, that time, some of my investment I already put up in America because all my parents, my sisters already in America, they're all immigrant. Since they're putting up a home for the aged or simply what you call in America like they call it as facilities or yung home for the aged na tumatanggap ka ng mga matatanda at alagaan mo. Magaling ang Pinoy nun. So in other words, I also invested my money there in America and the business is doing well. In fact, last year, my parents wants me to go to America already that time because they want me to manage that facilities. But the back of my mind, I was wondering, anong gagawin ko dun? I mean, mag-aalaga ng matanda? Okay lang sana yon kasi I'm a nurse. Pero, naisip ko at the back of my mind na something lacking, may kulang talaga. Na parang ayaw ko. Until my wife decided na, hey Noel, why not put up your own company? You have the experience. You know what you're doing. Alam mo kung anong gagawin. Anong pasikot-sikot. Sabi ko, oo nga pala. Why not? That's why, itong kampanya i-share ko sa inyo ngayon, nabuhay ito ngayon. In just simple or one reason why I put up this company. Una-una, ang rason lang. The reason why I put up this company because I just want to give it back to the people. Gusto ko lang ibalik sa mga tao ano yung na-experience ko, anong naranasan ko. Gusto ko lang pagandahin ang industriya na tinatawag na network marketing. Kung ang ibang tao ay medyo negative about network marketing, ako ho, naging passionate na po ako about this industry. Bakit? Kasi natulungan ko sarili ko, pamilya ko, natulungan ko, at marami akong kaibigan na tulungan din namin sa industriya nito. So dapat lang siguro, tumanaw lang ako ng utang na loob sa industriya nito by putting up this company. And it's simply that I just want to give it back. Okay? Now, before I'm going to discuss this company, ladies and gentlemen, gusto ko lang humingi sa inyo ng pabor. Na sana kung pinapakinggan nyo itong presentasyon ko na to, at pinapanood nyo po sa DVD player nyo o sa TV nyo ngayon, ang hingi ko lang po sa inyo, bigyan nyo ako ng bukas na pag-iisip at bukas na puso para maramdaman nyo talaga ano po yung inaalok ko po sa inyo. Una-una, hindi ko po pinapangako sa inyo na magugustuhan nyo. Magugustuhan yung pinipresent ko. Ang sa akin lang ho, isi-share ko lang po sa inyo ng buong buo. Nasa inyo na po ang desisyon kung gagawin nyo po ito o hindi. Basta ang gagawin ko lang po ngayon, i-share ko lang po sa inyo lahat-lahat. Okay? Now, there are about 4 questions at the back of your mind as listeners. Or yung nakikinig ka sa akin, 4 ang inisip nyo ngayon. Una-una, ano ba yung kumpanya? Or tinatawag natin na, what's the company? Second, what's the product? Third, what's the compensation or what's the income? And fourth, what will be my future in this company? In other words, kung sa Tagalog pa yan, pwede ko sabihin, ano ba yung kumpanya? Okay? Ano ba yung produkto? Ano ba yung kikitain ko? At ano ba yung kinabukasan na naghihintay sa akin? Yun lang po ang pwede kong basihan sa pag-present ko po sa inyo sa negosyong ito.